Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening your Capcut 2025 project and selecting the text layer you want voiced. Once you add or tap an existing caption, choose text-to-speech from the text menu. This triggers the voice options so you can hear samples. Make sure to pick the language and a voice that matches tone and pacing, because voice choice affects perceived clarity and length. After previewing, adjust text breaks and punctuation to control natural pauses before you generate the full clip. Once done with basic selection, you need to fine-tune the voice settings to sound natural. You should modify speed and pitch sliders and use emphasis controls where available. This helps align narration with visuals. Also edit the text itself. Insert commas, dashes, or double line breaks to force breaths and timing. If you have multiple captions, batch apply the chosen voice and settings to keep consistency across the timeline. Make sure to preview against the clip and note where micro-edits are required. To finish, render a short test export so you can verify lip sync, timing, and audio levels in the final file. If the voice sounds robotic, reduce speed slightly, add strategic pauses, or break long sentences into shorter lines to force natural prosody. If TTS fails or audio is missing, check Capcut permissions, confirm the app's online TTS service is available, and clear cache or restart the app. Once satisfied, export the full project at your desired resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.